and we're back with another hair adventure for 2018. What does that make this? Like 700 different hair adventures already this year. So if you're interested in seeing me ruin my hair, make it fall out, bleach it, my regrowth has gotten really long. Like it's like an 1.5 to 2 inches long right now. So I think we'll be alright. So keep watching. First step I always take when bleaching my hair is to douse my hair in coconut oil. So from the roots to the tips, we want to put in a lot of coconut oil for a minimum of 30 to 45 minutes up to several hours before you plan to bleach. Brush your hair through and section it off into multiple sections. I like to do 4 sections, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. This just is much easier to manage and helps you make sure that you get all of those roots. Alright, so we are bleach stations at the ready. So today I'm going to be using the Davina 30 volume cream developer, and I'm going to be mixing that with my quick blue. I'm almost out of it. Only have a little bit left. Hopefully it's enough for my whole head of hair. And I'll mix that together with a brush in my container. Okay, this is my final bleach mix. So I used 2 scoops of L'Oreal Quick Blue bleach powder, and I used probably 6 scoops of cream developer just to get it to the right consistency. I initially used a 2:1 ratio, but I found it was too thick, so I added more cream developer till I was happy with the consistency of the bleach. I actually made a lot of bleach and I had so much left over. I also highly recommend taking out any metal jewelry that you may be wearing. So I have ear piercings, so I'm just taking them out before I start applying the bleach through my hair because I know it's going to get all over my ears. I'm applying the bleach just to my roots, as the rest of my hair has been bleached several times, and I don't want to go too far down the shafts of the hair because I don't want my hair to all fall out unnecessarily. I'm then taking my hair section by section and I'm just coating just the roots, just up to where I last bleached them, to make sure I'm getting an even coverage. Okay, so bleach is on, kind of haphazardly, but bleaching at home, right? What can you do? You're not paying $100 for a professional to do it. You're doing it yourself. You've got hair from fall out. I'm gonna let this sit for probably 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna go through again, kind of mesh it into the tops, and I might do a bleach bath about halfway down my hair. I'm worried because some of my hair just went to the ends, so I have to bleach on it because of the gloves. So we'll see. I'm glad, but yeah. lovely bleached roots.
Okay, so now I've had this on my hair for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to put a bleach bath through the end. So I've taken the rest of my bleach and I've added shampoo to it. And I'm just going to massage this through the top maybe 3 inches or so of my hair, just so that there's no giant demarcation line, also to help soften out the blue.